And when I went back, I put the property, I started calling tenants to sublease it. I called and called and called. Hi, this is 2,000 square feet, the corner of this and that, this beautiful location, neighboring tenant, Tommy Hilfiger, guys, jeans, sunglasses, da 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 da. How many tenants do I need? One. I sent the video, I sent everything. Got one call back from a company called Burberry. Burberry called me. It was their exclusive broker, a very aggressive, let's just put it this way, for lack of other words. Very aggressive broker, exclusively for Burberry. She would talk to me like this. How many feet is the frontage? I think about 14. About 14? You're trying to rent to Burberry and you don't have the exact measurements? You go take the measurements and call me back. Click, hang up. Wow. I mean, talk about treating like a... Do I think I'm gonna put my ego on the table? Not at all. I'm gonna make millions. Yes, ma'am. Where do you want me to stand? Over here? I mean, who cares? I'm gonna be making... I quoted them $20,000 a month. So if you're making 20 and paying 8, that's $12,000 a month on a property I don't even own. I didn't even have to put a down payment.